ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ringkat lang baka pertai borok away ka Department of Fisheries haka arpo terik unai weng arhajar arpoi ka la Rakhe ya ka World Fisheries Day arhajar arpoi ya ka bala pelong ha pelau jaka office rekam ka Directorate of Fisheries ha Nongbah Shillong. Haka ni ngila sakilang da kinong ridok ha na East Khasi Hills, na East Gente Hills, na West Gente Hills, na South West Khasi Hills, na West Khasi Hills, na Ribhoi, Batgaro Hills District. But ha ringkat kecil dan langjong menteri ketnat ridok ha sorkar jelau ba sengau halang thar ubalong kum kongsan lembat ke kong isawanda lalu kepada ke Deputy Commissioner jong ke East Khasi Hills District bat kiwi-kiwi.
Honourable Leadership of Mr. Shakil Ahmed Ji, who is the Principal Secretary, it's really a wonderful job which has been carried out by them in my departments. And today prove it. I thought Fisheries Department is a very, very tiny and small department. And really I'm telling you, my officer is always trying to make the Fisheries Department in such wonderful ways as we have seen today after here in this program.